Welcome to our project. We are going to represent you our Pathfinder using Android application. Our robot is the intelligent robot who follows the instruction given by the user. Here, the instruction is given by using the Android application where we draw a pattern. Here, we are going to explain the component that we are using in our robot. Arduino board. The Arduino Uno board is a microcontroller setup board which fulfills all the requirements of the microcontroller ATmega328P. In Arduino board, this will ATmega328. It has 14 digital input-output pins and 6 analog input pins. Here we use pin number 4, 5, 6, 7 for motor driver circuit, pin number 9 for IR sensor, transmission reception pin for Bluetooth module, motor driver IC. Here we use L293D motor driver circuit for the movement of wheels, Bluetooth module. Here we use HC05 Bluetooth module for the communication of robot with microcontroller. With the help of Bluetooth module, we transmit the data in the form of string. With the help of Android app RoboPath Crawler, in Bluetooth module we connect the transmitter pin to reception pin of microcontroller and vice versa. After that, IR sensor. IR sensor, it is also known as obstacle sensor. It consists an IR LED and photodiode. The output pin of IR sensor is connected with microcontroller and supply. All ground are commonly connected with the ground pin, and 5-volt supply is given to all the devices and 12-volt supply is to DC motor. After connecting all the devices, now we check for the connections. Now we give the supply to the Arduino board with the 12-volt rechargeable battery. As we use rechargeable battery, it increases the efficiency and maintain the speed of robot. Now we will see the working of our project. First, we switch on the robot. After that, install the RoboPath Crawler app in Android phone. Here, we interface our robot by using Android application. Install the RoboPath Crawler app in Android phone. Switch on the Bluetooth device of Android phone and go to the Bluetooth menu. Scan the device and find HC05 Bluetooth module. If not found, then switch off and switch on the robot. After finding Bluetooth module of robot in scanned devices, get paired to HC05 module. If asked, enter pairing code 1234 and get connected. Now open RoboPath Crawler app and press more button on menu button. Select the connect device. We will get a list of all paired devices to the Android phone. Select the HC05 module and get acknowledgement message as connected to HC05. As we connect with the robot, again press the menu or more button and click on reset path. Now the app is ready to use. Draw the pattern using dots by tapping on each dot one by one and add the last dot of our pattern. Hold the dot and for 2 seconds to hold the pattern.